Okay, so here we have in this question a fair coin is tossed, and A wants me to find out how many times would I expect it to show tails in 1,000 trials, so tails. So what I first of all need to figure out is I need to figure out what's the probability of getting a tail when I toss a coin. So the probability of getting a tail is a half when I toss a coin. Okay, so to answer A, right, what I really need to do is I need to think, okay, so I'm going to write here n tails, so n stands for number of tails. Okay, what I'm basically going to do is that's equal to the probability of getting a tail times the number of trials. Okay, right. So really I want to think of it as a half times 1,000, which would be 500. Okay, right, and that's 500 tails is basically what I would get. Okay, now a way of thinking of it is if I have 1,000 trials, or I've done it 1,000 times, I would expect half of those to be tails. So half of 1,000 would be tails, and so that's why I end up multiplying a half times 1,000, and I get 500. Okay, let's have a look to see how we handle that with B here. Okay, so it says how many times would I expect it to show heads in 3,500. So the probability of getting a head is also a half, right? So if we then have a look here, so the number of heads that I'd be looking for is equal to a half of 3,500 trials. Okay, and so basically when I then work that out, right, I get that that's 1,750 heads. Okay. Okay, so that's how we set out these types of questions.